This is why I either am not wearing makeup in my videos, and then when I am wearing makeup, it's because I got up before this one got up and did my makeup without her. Because when she's helping or when I'm holding her, and most of the time when I sit her down, she'll scream wanting me to hold her. I hold her quite a bit. I've learned how to do quite a few things while holding her, but my makeup is not one of them. Hey. 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 And now I can't see out of them. Okay. Okay. Now I get to put on some contacts. If I can see the contacts, I'm like blind without my glasses. Thank you. I can see out of one eye. I got it. Now I have contacts in. Maybe. Wait a second. Okay. Now, I start with Mary Kay Firming Eye Cream. You don't get that much sleep when you're a mom, so you gotta have something to help with the wrinkles. Now, this is just a Walmart special. Oh no, we dropped the pack. Thank you. Can I see that? Here, you can look at it now. And then for foundation, I use Mary Kay CC cream. Okay. Then I just use the very cheapest eyeliner, if I can find it. Let's see. And I'm one of those people that puts it on the inside. You're dropping stuff. Okay, got on some eyeliner. Where did my mascara go? This is a Estee Lauder purple right here. Isley wants it, and she just dropped it. Thank you. Okay, can I see it one more time? I'm sorry. Okay. Currently can't find my mascara. I think the 3-year-old got it and did something with it. And I think we're gonna have to take a boob break, right? She looks very sleepy. We are taking a boob break mid putting on makeup, right? Yeah. See, this is why. It's too much. Too much. Too much to try to do holding a baby. Hey there.